Hey everybody, Gene Daughtry. You driving around in a Dodge, got a HEMI, you love that power, you really always wanted that, you got a Dodge Ram, uh, Dodge Charger, anything with a HEMI. And have you noticed started to have an oil pressure problem? Had the oil pressure drop off to zero, or when you start the vehicle up first thing in the daytime, starting to rattle. You hear the lifters rattling, or driving down the road. I have had several people driving down the road, and the oil pressure would just kind of drop off to nothing. The vehicles start to run really rough, and you start to hear a lot of engine noise. A lot of times, enough to where you would want to stop. I don't know if you've experienced any of those problems, but if you have, there's a solution without rebuilding that engine because the problem is sludge. It's very caked up inside the upper parts of that motor. It's not allowing the oil to flow like it should. And a lot of people don't realize that affects the timing because the advanced timing on that engine is controlled by the oil pressure. After 30 years of being in the car business, I found a product that is solving that problem for many people all across the country. It's called GeoCat Pro Line Engine Conditioner. It's a product that was made from aerospace technology used in the aerospace industry 30 years ago. The military and racing have tested this product. It's made in America, comes from Kansas, and it's EPA non-hazardous. It's a great product. A couple of bottles in that engine, drive the thing for about 40 or 50 miles, and the oil pressure will balance out and stay consistent. You'll notice that the operating temperature will come down a little bit because it completely removes the friction from that engine. And it's cleaning up and giving you the oil pressure that that vehicle is designed to have throughout that motor anytime that you're driving it. So if you're having that issue with your HEMI and you want to keep the HEMI around for a while and keep it from having any other issues like that that are related to that lubrication, because every minute that you're driving it with that problem, it's doing damage to that motor. It's going to start to knock, or those lifters are going to rattle all the time, or it's just not going to run right because of oil pressure and the timing. Go to www.geocat.com and get some GeoCat Pro Line engine conditioner for gas engines and give that a try. Save that HEMI.